Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I have a couple things that I bought from the Hush website, or more of an app really. I just got two things, a J-Cat highlighter and this Face Candy Atlantis 12 color eyeshadow palette. Now, when I first saw this palette, it was like Andrea's video. I will link her channel down below. I can't remember her channel name right off the bat, but her name is Andrea. Because I liked this I don't know, I'm really bad with pronunciation. I feel like everybody has a little bit of a problem with that, but this kind of like Cinderella blue color, I was just really intrigued with that color, so I really wanted to play with it, and that's what we're going to be playing with today. And this palette is cruelty free, so. And then we also have this J-Cat Beauty highlighter. I did swatch this, but I have not tried it on my skin yet. It looks a little bit chunky and glittery, but we will see how it goes. If not, I have another one that I bought from Target. So let's just kind of jump into this. The color I'm really just most interested in using is that Abyss color. Abyss. I'm not sure. We're just gonna pretend like we know what we're talking about and leave it as that. So I'm just going to go in again with my Naked Basics palette, and I'm going to go in with Commando, and I'm going to blend that into the crease. So first I'm going to go in with my Naked Basics palette, and I'm going to mix Nude and Commando together and place that all over the lid. I've already primed my lids. Alright, so I built up the crease a little bit. It's a little bit dark. I'm not sure how much I like that, but we'll kind of work with it. I'm going to go ahead and take Blow and place that on the brow, because I think I'm just going to really play with that blue and just keep it kind of simple with that, because we've already done one blue look this week. So I'm going to go in with that blue, and I'm going to just place this on the lid. I have not used this palette, so I could be in for a rude awakening, but we shall see what we get. That's actually fabulous. I'm just placing this all over the lid, and then we'll kind of figure out what we're gonna do in a little bit later. Alright, so that is built up on the lid, and I absolutely love the way that it looks. So the next thing I'm going to try to do is to kind of incorporate. So I've been blending away. So I'm going to go in and build the crease up one more time, because it kind of blended some of that away. And not the crease. I keep saying crease, not the crease. The lid. The lid. Now I'm going to take this White Caps. It's like a pure white. I haven't swatched this one yet, so we'll see how it goes. Place this here in the inner corner, and then we're going to blend it through. Try to kind of blend the blue and the white together. So I'm going to swatch this white just to see. It's not the worst white ever. These shadows are quite powdery. Like, let's just see. See? That doesn't necessarily mean that they're bad. They still work really, really nicely. So they're just powdery. Tittle? I believe it's Tittle. And we will take it. It's like a soft kind of shimmery blue, and place that over top of the white for some shimmer. I'm also going to take some of that white shadow and place it here on the brow bone. I'm going to place it up there, and then we'll just kind of blend it away. Not away, but blend it. Alright, I do not believe I want to do anything with the lower lash line, so I'm going to go ahead and find some liner. Just find it, and I'm just going to take my handy dandy Oh, this is the Eco Liner. I haven't used this one yet. It looks a lot like the same packaging as my favorite Wet n Wild, Wet n Wild, but it's a little bit skinnier. So this is the Ico one. Let's give it a try today. It's a little bit of a fatter brush, so this seemed kind of, it's good, but I'm not sure how much. Let's see. All right, so this it's all right. I think I like my Wet n Wild one a little bit better, but I will still use it till it's gone. It's all right. Wander Beauty mascara. I'm not gonna apply false lashes today because I really just want that blue shadow to be popping. I love the way that it looks. It looks very Cinderella blue. So we have applied our mascara. So we are going to go ahead and really brighten up these under eyes, bring them back to life. I'm gonna zoom out just a bit, and I'm gonna take the Pixie Peach corrector. I've been using my NYX one, but I really need to use this one up, so I'm just gonna try to finish what's left in here. It's harder because I use the Real Technique sponge and it's a bit fatter at the end than the Beauty Blender, so it's a bit harder to dip into there. But in the long run, I really like my NYX one a lot better than this, and this is cheaper. So to me, it's better. The NYX is much better, but this still works. It still does the job, and you can get them both at Target. So it's almost like, you know, which one you're gonna pick. This Marc Jacobs. This is like our translucent, the Finish Line Perfection powder. It's the translucent one, kind of like almost HD. And I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. brush and pat that under my eye. Really, I've been using this, but I feel like this stuff is like magic and it never goes away. Like, it just, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's almost drugstore. Remember that Marc Jacobs. And apply this here. I'm gonna apply it with this brush and then I'll blend it out because it gets a little bit intense. So before I apply my blush, I'm going to apply this J-Cat highlighter. This is the Baked Highlighter in Pink Goddess. And I'm just going to kind of pick some up on my brush, tap some off in case there's any excess glitter, and then apply this. So sometimes when you apply things, yeah, that's really glittery. I'm not sure about this one. It's like extra glittery. Sometimes I don't care about glitter, but this one has like those silvery flecks. So I'm gonna see if just kind of really buffing it in makes a big difference, and it looks like so far it kind of does. So I just didn't know how pink this was. That's why I'm not sure what blush I want to use. And I'm just gonna go with my blush today. I'm just gonna go with the Party Blush from Tarte. It's a good blush. Really do like it. So for our last step for lips, I'm going to take this Ulta Beauty Shine Sheer Lip Gloss, and I'm just going to wear a gloss today. Just keeping it nice and sheer and fun. And it's kind of a milky pink, but it's not like a strong cream. It's real pretty. It's got some glitters. Almost looks like a Dazzle Gloss, but a like cream version. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure how to describe this. It's comfortable and it feels great and it looks pretty. Alright, so that is the review slash tutorial on this palette. I really like it. I love how the look came out, and look at all these other beautiful colors that are in it. There's greens and blues, and I'm so glad that I got this palette because if you've been watching for a minute, you know that I am super trying to get into more colors and such like that, because it's fun. Makeup is just, your face is your canvas. Paint it. That's kind of cliche, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll let you guys go, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you already haven't, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.